Susan Stinson is here today. She's a registered nurse at Gundersen Health System, and the reason she's joining us today is this is National Nurses Day. It's also National Nurses Week, the beginning of, very important. She's been a nurse herself for 29 years, so we're going to talk about some of the latest trends in nursing, just so to give you an idea. First of all, obviously our population continues to age. That obviously has some unique challenges of itself for nurses, but what do you think has changed as far as nursing careers when it comes to the population getting older?
Well, right now we're really hospital-based, but we're really trending towards going out into the community, and I can see nurses doing that in the future.
So, and as it's happening, we're going to need more nurses. So right now, do we have enough nurses as far as the supply goes, and what about down the road?
Fortunately, in La Crosse, we always can use more nurses, but in the East and West Coast, there really is a challenge to have nurses and get nurses. But I know that the Bureau of Labor, the statistics have come out that in 2022, we're going to need over 1 million nurses. There have been 1 million nurses positions open, so there is going to be a huge need for nurses.
There is a big need there. Also interesting, I didn't realize this had been a growing trend, but there are traveling nurses. You talked about going outside of the hospital. Why is it? They seem to follow the population sometimes to different areas as populations change during the year.
Absolutely, and so like let's say that all our people in Wisconsin decide that they want to go and be snowbirds down in Arizona or something.
Sure.
So the nurses, they call and they say, okay, we need a nurse, or we need nurses down there for 13-week assignments to help with that population flux. And so they do that and they hire nurses, and so nurses travel to these communities and help out.
For those kinds of needs too. That's interesting. Now, I know this is the whole week we're celebrating, and we love all of our nurses, obviously. They have the most touches with the patients, obviously. But Mayor Cabot's going to do something special too this week.
Yes, we've asked Mayor Cabot to actually do a proclamation for National Nurses Week, not only for Gundersen nurses, but for all nurses in the community and surrounding areas.
Very good. So make sure you thank your nurses. We hope you enjoy your week too as well. Thanks for joining us, and stay with us. Back in just a moment to wrap things up.